So you've got a little scratch on your table and you have our oil-based finish. So you should have received a kit with a little bit of our rejuvenator in it. There is directions on the rejuvenator itself, and there was also a card, but it's super simple. Basically what you want to do is focus on the scratch area, make sure it's clean and dry before you ever try to do anything. Shake up the rejuvenator very well, make sure it's loose inside there. Sometimes a little skin might form inside there and you might have to poke it with a needle or something. Open that up. We're going to apply a little bit of the rejuvenator, just a few drops around. Close that back up. And then we're just going to work that into that scratched area. And it's the same finish that was put on the table to start with. So we'll start by focusing on the scratch, and we're using just a coarse paper towel. We'll focus on the scratch, but then as we get it worked in, we'll make our circles of finish application just a little bit bigger, and it will kind of blend into there's a little scratch there too that it's kind of filling in. So we'll kind of blend into the rest of the table. Now, it won't eliminate the scratch. What it'll do is blend it in. And over time, the shiny or different sheen area that you have here will sort of blend in with the rest of the table. But don't feel like you have to rub and rub and rub and rub and rub, because you'll make a shiny spot that will then be more noticeable. Basically what you want to do is just fill that crack with a little finish and then let it go.